Have a small kitchen? You're not alone. But the good news is, even small kitchens can be super functional and stylish. Today, we're going to explore 10 genius kitchen layout ideas that will make the most out of your space. Let's face it, not everyone has a huge kitchen with endless counter space. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or functionality. In fact, with the right layout and a little creativity, your small kitchen can become your favorite room in the house. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or hosting friends, an organized and efficient kitchen makes everything easier. When it comes to small spaces, every inch counts. A cluttered kitchen can feel cramped and chaotic, but a well-planned layout can transform your space into something truly amazing. New design ideas and clever tips are the key to saving space, improving workflow, and making sure you actually enjoy spending time in your kitchen, even if it's a little on the smaller side. So, whether you're cooking for one or prepping a big family meal, stick around as we explore 10 smart and innovative kitchen layout ideas that will optimize your small space and help you make the most of what you've got. 1. Open shelving. Let's kick things off with one of the most stylish and space-saving solutions for small kitchens: open shelving. Instead of traditional closed cabinets, open shelving uses exposed shelves to store your kitchen items. Think of it like a bookshelf for your kitchen, where you can display everything from dishes to cooking tools. So, why does open shelving work so well in small kitchens? Well, it's simple. It helps make your space feel bigger and airier. When you remove bulky cabinets with doors, your kitchen opens up visually, making it feel less cramped. Plus, open shelves allow you to easily access your plates, cups, and even cookbooks, without having to search through a dark cabinet. It also gives you a chance to showcase your favorite dishes or cool kitchen gadgets, which can add a personal touch and even make your kitchen feel more inviting. It's like turning your kitchen into a mini art gallery of your most used and most loved items. Now, here's the key to making open shelving work for you: organization is a must. If you leave everything out without a plan, it can quickly turn into a cluttered mess, and that can make your small kitchen feel even more chaotic. Keep things neat by arranging your items by category: plates on one shelf, mugs on another, and your spices and cute jars on a separate rack. Remember, a clutter-free shelf is the secret to maintaining that clean, open feel. 2. Foldable furniture. Next up, let's talk about foldable furniture. This is a game changer for small kitchens. Foldable tables and chairs are pieces of furniture that can be easily folded up and tucked away when you're not using them. Whether it's a compact table for eating or folding chairs for extra seating, this type of furniture allows you to save precious space when you're not hosting a dinner party or having a family meal. Why does this work so well in small kitchens? Because it's all about flexibility. With foldable furniture, you can quickly open up your kitchen for cooking and prep, and then tuck everything away to create more space for other activities. For example, if you're not using your dining table, you can fold it up and slide it into a corner or against the wall. This gives you more room to move around and enjoy the kitchen without it feeling crowded. When you have limited space, foldable furniture lets you switch from cooking mode to entertaining mode without any stress. Imagine this: 1 minute you have a full dinner table with chairs, perfect for a cozy family meal. The next minute, with a simple fold, you've got all that extra space to dance around, prep dinner, or even add in a small desk for other uses. It's like magic. Plus, it's super convenient when you need extra space in a flash. 3. Compact appliances. Let's move on to compact appliances. These are smaller versions of the appliances you use every day, like mini fridges, compact dishwashers, and smaller ovens. The idea is to keep the same features and functions, but in a size that fits perfectly in a smaller kitchen. Compact appliances are a total lifesaver in small kitchens. You get all the essential features you need, but they take up a fraction of the space of regular-sized appliances. Imagine having a mini fridge that fits perfectly under your counter or a compact dishwasher that cleans your dishes without taking up an entire corner of your kitchen. These smaller appliances can help you save tons of space while still being just as functional. You won't have to sacrifice performance. You're just using a smarter, more efficient design that fits your needs and your space. Here's a little pro tip for you. Look for appliances that have multiple functions. For example, a microwave that can also bake or an oven that doubles as a toaster. This way, you're getting more out of each appliance without cluttering up your kitchen with too many gadgets. It's the perfect way to keep your small kitchen super efficient and organized. 4. Corner kitchens. Next, let's talk about corner kitchens. This layout takes advantage of those often underused corners in your kitchen. By placing your main counter or stove in a corner, you create a more efficient and open space to work in. So why does this layout work so well for small kitchens? Well, corners are one of the most underutilized areas in any kitchen. When you place your counter or stove in a corner, you free up more space for prep areas or even add extra storage. This layout also creates an L shape in your kitchen, which gives you more counter space without crowding the room. It makes cooking and cleaning up a lot easier because you're not bumping into walls or cabinets all the time. You'll have more room to move around, and that can really make a difference when you're trying to multitask in a smaller space. Imagine this: you're in the kitchen, cooking up a meal. With a corner kitchen layout, you have that L-shaped design where everything you need is within arm's reach, and you can move smoothly from one spot to the next. It's like having a built-in workflow that makes cooking easier and way more fun. 5. Floating island. Next on our list is the floating island. Now you might be thinking, how can an island float in the kitchen? Well, a floating island is a kitchen island that isn't attached to the floor. It's a standalone piece of furniture that you can move around as needed. It's perfect for small kitchens where a traditional, bulky island would take up too much space. Why does a floating island work so well in a small kitchen? A traditional kitchen island can often take up too much room and block the flow of your kitchen. But with a floating island, you get the extra workspace and storage that an island offers, but without losing precious floor space. Since it's not fixed, you can move it to the center of the kitchen when you need extra prep space and push it to the side when you want more room to walk around or cook. This gives you that versatility you need in a small space. It's like having your own movable kitchen station. Here's a handy pro tip. Some floating islands even come with wheels, so you can easily roll them to different spots in your kitchen. This is super convenient when you want to change things up or need to clear space quickly for cleaning or entertaining. A wheeled island gives you ultimate flexibility. Move it to the perfect spot whenever you need it. 6. Vertical storage. Now, let's talk about vertical storage, one of the smartest ways to maximize space in a small kitchen. Instead of spreading out all over the counter, you can use your walls to store things. Think tall cabinets that reach up to the ceiling, or adding hooks to hang your pots, pans, and utensils. You can even install shelves or a spice rack along the walls for easy access. So why is vertical storage such a great idea? It's simple. When you go up instead of out, you free up more floor space and make your kitchen feel less cramped. By using the walls for storage, you're opening up your counters for prep work or cooking, while still keeping everything organized and within reach. Imagine how much extra storage you can gain by adding shelves above your counter for spices, or using a magnetic knife holder on the wall to keep your knives handy and off the counter. You'll be surprised at how much you can store when you look up. Here's a fun idea. The higher you go, the more space you get. Picture this. You add a shelf that goes all the way to the ceiling, giving you a whole new storage area for things like decorative dishes, extra cookware, or even appliances you don't use daily. It's like having an entire new room in your kitchen that you never even thought to use. 7. Multifunctional spaces. Let's dive into the concept of multifunctional spaces in your kitchen. The idea here is simple. Certain areas in your kitchen can serve more than one purpose. For example, your countertop might not just be for food prep. It could also double as a breakfast bar where you can grab a quick bite. Or maybe the space underneath your counter could be used for something totally different, like a mini office or a wine rack. This is all about making your kitchen work harder for you. So why is this such a smart idea? When you use the same space for multiple tasks, you cut down on clutter and make your kitchen feel less crowded. It's like getting the best of both worlds. You don't have to add extra furniture or accessories that take up more room. Instead, you're optimizing the space you already have. Think about it. The countertop becomes a prep space, a dining area, and maybe even an extra workstation. And under your counter? It can be a hidden gem for storing extra items like wine bottles, cookbooks, or even creating a little home office nook if you're short on space elsewhere. Here's a pro tip. Think of your kitchen as a Swiss Army knife. It should do as many jobs as possible. The more versatile your space, the more freedom you'll have to use it for different activities. A kitchen that works for both cooking and relaxing is a kitchen that makes the most of its size. So get creative with how you use your space, and you'll be amazed at how much you can fit into a small kitchen. 8. Sliding doors or pocket doors. Next, let's explore sliding doors and pocket doors, a sleek and space-saving solution for your kitchen. Unlike traditional doors that swing open, these doors glide along a track or slide into the wall, which means they don't take up any extra room when they're opened. So why are sliding or pocket doors perfect for small kitchens? Simple. In a small kitchen, every inch counts, and traditional swinging doors can easily eat up valuable space. When you have a swinging door, you need room for it to open and close, which can create a cramped feel. But with sliding doors, you don't have to worry about that. They move smoothly along the wall or slide into a pocket inside the wall, saving you space and making your kitchen feel more open. It's a practical way to add privacy, divide spaces, or even just separate your kitchen from the dining area, all without the extra bulk. And let's not forget, sliding and pocket doors look super sleek and modern. They add a contemporary, high-end feel to any space, and they can instantly make your kitchen feel more stylish. Plus, they're fun to use. It's like having a secret passageway in your own home. 9. Hidden storage. Next up, let's talk about hidden storage, a clever way to maximize your kitchen's potential without sacrificing style. Hidden storage refers to compartments that are tucked away out of sight, like drawers inside cabinets, pull-out pantry shelves, or even built-in storage areas that blend seamlessly with your kitchen design. So why is hidden storage a game changer? Well, it's all about keeping things out of sight and reducing clutter. In a small kitchen, visible mess can quickly make the space feel chaotic and cramped. Hidden storage helps you keep things organized and tucked away, so your kitchen looks neat and tidy at all times. For example, imagine opening a drawer that slides out and reveals a neat row of pots and pans or even a hidden space for your trash can. You won't see it unless you open the compartment, but it's there when you need it, making everything easier to access without crowding your counters. Here's a pro tip. Hidden storage also makes your kitchen look incredibly tidy and organized. You'd be amazed at how much you can fit into hidden spaces without cluttering up the room. It's a great way to store everything from baking supplies to small appliances, all while maintaining a clean, streamlined look. It's like having a magic trick up your sleeve that keeps your kitchen looking spacious and put together. 10. Minimalist design. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about minimalist design. This approach focuses on keeping things simple, with only the essentials in your kitchen. You'll have less furniture, fewer decorative items, and a clean, functional layout that makes the most out of your space without overwhelming it. So, why does minimalist design work so well in small kitchens? In a space where every inch matters, a cluttered kitchen can make it feel even smaller. By sticking to the basics, you create a more open and airy environment. Fewer items mean less visual clutter, which helps your kitchen feel calm and organized. A minimalist kitchen focuses on efficiency and practicality, with sleek storage solutions and clear countertops. It's a design that makes everything easier to find and use, without taking up too much space or adding unnecessary distractions. Here's the fun part. It's all about creating a peaceful cooking environment. Imagine walking into your kitchen, and everything you need is within easy reach, but nothing is overcrowding the space. You can move freely, cook comfortably, and enjoy the simplicity of a well-organized, stress-free space. It's like having a kitchen that works with you, not against you, and that's the beauty of minimalist design. So, let's quickly recap the 10 genius kitchen layout ideas we covered today. We talked about open shelving to make your kitchen feel airier, foldable furniture for flexibility, compact appliances to save space, corner kitchens to utilize every inch, floating islands for extra workspace, vertical storage to keep things organized, multifunctional spaces that do double duty, sliding doors or pocket doors to save room, hidden storage to keep things out of sight, and minimalist design to create a clean and open feel. Remember, a small kitchen doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or function. With these clever design ideas, you can transform your tiny space into a beautiful, efficient kitchen that works for you, no matter the size. So, which layout idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tips on optimizing your home. Thanks for watching, and happy kitchen designing!